This Trolley's trains. We have a trolley car going back and forth from 1950, and we have the steam locomotive 246 pulling toy trains, operating society passenger cars. We have 2755 steam locomotive 8-wheeler pulling New Haven passenger cars. Everything's looking good. And if you would, please go to YouTube and subscribe to me. It's Charlie's with apostrophe S Trains, and it's 9169. I appreciate it. And I hope everybody's enjoying these videos. Here comes the 2755 around the roundhouse and rain going up the trestle. The trolley's going back and forth. Everything's looking great. And I hope you enjoy this, and I hope everybody has a great day, and thank you for watching.